Welcome to the TerryTracker channel and welcome to Thailand. We are here at Frost, the magical ice of Siam Park, on a day where it is 42 degrees Celsius. It is red hot, but once we get inside that building, it is going to be into the minuses because everything's made of ice. Out here, everything's made of concrete and painted white. We're inside on a big freezer and it is currently minus 15 Celsius. Woo! Here's a workman repairing it and rebuilding it. Time to get ourselves a little drinky poo, a glass of Coke in a nice glass. Sitting on an ice seat at a nice table with a frozen flower, having an orange drink that's rapidly freezing inside of my ice glass with 41 degrees Celsius outside. Yeah. Woo, that's cold. And what do you do with your frozen ice cup when you finish with it? Smash it up in the pile.
What you do is split second that thing, grab it and chop. Ready?
Hey, Tristan sir. Hey, whoppa! Get it off the wall, get it off the wall. Hey, top of the pile. Whoop whoop, frozen chicken soup. And we're into a slightly warmer room full of snow. It's snowing in Thailand. It's snowing. Well, we've come out now and we've come from -15 to whatever the temperature is in this foyer. Now this foyer before felt quite cool when we came in because it's actually air conditioned. I'm sweating in here. So there you have it. That was Frost Magical Ice of Siam here in Pattaya, Thailand. It was good. It was smaller than expected. And it was quite expensive for the size and what you get to do. So it worked out just under £65 British sterling for a family of 4. I think that's expensive. I think that's a little bit too expensive. But it was good. So anywho, we shall see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.